Today we're going to take a look at the Carisma F-Truck. It's based on their MSA1 platform, much similar to their scale trucks, and this looks like it's going to be a lot of fun for just around the house. So in today's video, I'll show you what makes it different from the trail version, I'll show you what's included in the kit, and I'll come up with a couple fun challenges so you can see how it goes. This is a complete RC car. It comes with everything you need to run it. The assembled truck, 2.4 gigahertz radio system, AA battery for the truck, USB charger, instruction sheet, a box wrench, and now we can take a closer look at the Carisma F-Truck 124 scale 4x4. Starting with this body, it is a Ford F-150 style body, just not licensed, that's why it has the F-Truck name. Simple graphics, roll bar, I like the front bumper, and the body is just held in place with Velcro, which makes it really easy to access the inside. But look at these tires here. These are some pretty cool looking Chevron tires. I like the wheels as well, nice deep dish on those. And there are foam inserts. Let's pop the body off. Composite chassis, just like the other MSA1 truck. Battery mounted out back. The shock towers are integrated into the chassis. So the transmission has a huge spur gear on there, and then they've re-geared it with a larger pinion to help swing these larger tires, 60mm tires. Same slider drive shafts in the center down to the axles that we've seen before. I like that they have ball bearings, dog bone and cup style drive shafts out to the front wheels. The suspension, composite links, which for a small scale rig are pretty solid. And as you can see, they moved them from their regular position on the trail truck, so now there's more clearance for the tire on this rig. The shocks are simple friction dampers, just spring for rebound, no oil on the inside. Onto the electronics, a few changes have been made. Here's a steering servo. It has a servo saver on it to help protect it. Simple linkages, and then it's a 3-wire, so that's really good. I always love seeing 3 wires instead of that multi-wire on some of the cheap cars. Over to the ARC 2000 speed controller. This is also the receiver, and this is the MT version, so I'm guessing it can handle the load of these larger tires. The speed controller is also outfitted so you could go and plug LED lights in. There's already an LED light kit for this. Now the motor is also changed up. It's a bigger motor. I haven't been able to find how many turns this motor is. Let's go get a charge pack in the truck and see how much fun we could have with this thing. All right, lap 1, let's do this. Over the drop off. This is like perfect for the spot. A little nose up on that jump. A little edgy in the corners. Rip it through the half pipe there. I like it over these little jumps. That's full throttle, guys. Ah, right through the cone. We gotta try some dirt donuts. Speed pass. And a little rough off-roading. Well, it's a fun release from Carisma, but could probably use a LiPo battery to pep it up a little bit. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below.